Hello friends. In last option trading plan for 8th July expiry, we have shorted two strikes, which were basically 15,400 put and 16,000 call. And as you can see, the market is currently trading in this particular range, and all our options have expired OTM, and we are getting full profits that was expected. So this is about the update for the last week expiry. And before starting with the current week, as you can see, I have drawn upon the 5 minutes chart for Nifty, and I have shared this chart on Twitter and Telegram. And as you can see, the Nifty had given a breakdown below this, and after this, the Nifty had correct went down almost around 130 points in intraday itself. So this is how the chart analysis I am sharing on Twitter and Telegram. As you can see here, also I have shared at 10:30 a.m. This was a chart, and 15,835 was the price at that time. So yeah, this is about the Nifty chart, and whatever analysis I am doing, I am sharing with my friends on these two platforms. So you can join us there. I will share the link in the description section. So let's start with today's video. And if you learn anything from this video, then you can hit the like button, and also you can subscribe to our channel for more videos in future. So let's start. So I am just opening the Nifty chart right now. So I've opened daily chart, and I've already plotted two lines. So in this, yeah. So as you can see, we are trading 16,000 call and 15,400 put for around 1 month, and we are getting good profit, and market is also range bound, trading in this particular range only. So we will continue with this same range now. And let's so we will be shorting around 16,000 call and 15,400 put. In this case, the reason to short 16,000 call is basically the 16,000 is can be a resistance for Nifty, and it is a psychological level as well. And for 15,400 put, it was the previous all-time high, and Nifty had took support near this level in this small dip, and basically this level is acting as will be acting as a support for Nifty in coming days as well. So that's the reason we are shorting these two options, and we will not go naked in this position. So we will hedge our position with 200 points away options. So which is basically 16,200 call and 15,200 put. We will be buying this option to hedge our position for overnight risk. So this is about the technical analysis. So I will just show the previous position that we had. So as you can see, we are getting a profit of around 1100 in this case in the previous position, and also the profit is around 7.7 percentage in this case. So this is about the previous position that we had, which is when all the positions are expiring OTM. So we are benefiting from our position. So let's start with today's with current expiry. So I have loaded the options already in this case, and as you can see, the VIX is higher today around 12%, and because of which the premiums in the options are also very high, which is a plus point for an option writer in this case, because we are getting higher premiums to short, and we will be getting more profit in this case. So this is about the options, and we will check the payoff now. So I will just load all the options in this case now in this Upstart. So 16,000 call, sell, 15,400 put. So currently we have to so it is a naked position, and as you can see, the risk is undefined in this case. Now we will hedge our position with the 200 points away options. So 15,200 put buy and 16,200 call buy. Yeah. So now the position is already taken in Opsta, and as you can see, the probability of profit is 71%, and the maximum profit is now around 2,300. In last week we got a maximum profit of around 1,100. So currently, because the VIX is high by 12% today, we are getting more premiums in options and the option. profit is almost doubled now. And also the margin we are paying is around 62,500 in this case. So this is the payoff. I will save the strategy and will share this strategy link in the description section so that you can track this position whenever you want. It will be lively updated in market. And also the about the exit strategy. The exit strategy is same. We will exit our position in case if Nifty breaks and closes below 15,400, or if Nifty breaks and closes below 16,000, then we will close our position. So basically closes below or closes above, it will be on daily closing basis. So we will wait for a close for a Nifty above 16,000 or a close below 15,400. Then only we will sell and exit all the position that we had in this particular option week. So yeah, this is about the option trading plan. So if you learned anything from this video, you can like this video as well. There is you can follow us on Twitter and Telegram for market update. I will share the link in the description section. There is also disclaimer with this video. Thank you guys.